Hi. So tonight we learned signs that we could use when we're talking to deaf people, or when they're talking to us, just about the deafness and stuff, or about sign language. And so the very first thing that we learned was I learned sign language. Used to be that they did sign language, but we don't do that anymore. It's old. And so you could say I learn sign. Ashley, you really should do sign first, but you could learn sign or sign. So sign or sign. There's two ways to do sign. So watch it go. So you're going like this and you're going back down. Sign. Because there's another word, like many. It's many. And so sign will be going back down. Okay. So if you're asking to sign slowly, sign slow, please. Or you could just say, slow, please. In case they're going too fast. You can make it like even slower. Like if you're like really need it slow, you can go like this. That's telling them that you're very new. Okay, so if you're wanting to repeat please. Again. Again, please. We've used this word again a lot when we're practicing spelling in our class. So this is not exactly new. Again, please. The next one is I can't fingerspell well. Fingerspell, good, can't. The right hand finger is going to go down and kind of go like that. Can't. Fingerspell, good, can't. You could also say fingerspell good without the good can't, without doing this. I can fingerspell, but I can't read well. Okay? So fingerspell can, and then you're going to go like read, like this. Read, good, can't. So you can fingerspell, but you can't read it good. So fingerspell can, read well, can't. Alright, so it's like you sign fast. Sign, quick, you. Quick, it's like this. Quick. Sign or sign, quick, you. You sign fast. You could say, please slow down, you sign fast. So you could say, sign, quick, you, slow, please. All the stuff that you've learned, you want to try to combine them into different ways and different phrases. Okay, I don't understand or I do understand. The understand is like this. Think about it being a light bulb that spring turns on. All right, so if you don't understand, you go like this. If you do understand, you go. Okay? Write it down, please. Write, please. So this is the paper. Your right hand is going to write, please. How do you sign something, whatever it is? So whatever you're trying to find out what the sign is, how do you sign it? You're going to finger spell it. So let's just say I'm going to make it as easy as water. Water, W-A-T-E-R, sign, how. We already learned how. Or bed, B-E-D, sign or sign, how. And then I'll show you how that is. Let's just say they're telling you there is no sign for it. You have to finger spell it. So it'll be sign none, finger spell must. Sign none, finger spell must. what does that mean? Like whatever sign it is. And this is a sign I use in my class. Okay, I'll tell you what that means in a minute. So I'm signing this, meaning what? What did that sign mean? So, mean, the right hand, you're going to go like this and flip it around. Mean what? So, and they'll finger spell what that means. And I don't want to finger spell it. So it means you're making it up. Making it up. Okay. Are you deaf? There are two different ways to do deaf. The deaf sign language, the two signs for deaf. You touch the ear, you touch the mouth. Deaf. That is because you can't hear, you can't speak, which is not true. A lot of deaf people can. So, deaf, or you touch the ear and you close it. Deaf. You'd be deaf or deaf. And if you ask them if they're deaf, you'll say deaf you with the eyebrow. Deaf you, eyebrow up, because it's a yes or no question, or deaf you. That's the question. Of course, I'm smiling, so how are you going to know I'm doing a question? Okay. I am not deaf, I'm hearing. So you say deaf, not, hearing, and you want to do your head like this. Hearing, I. Deaf, not, hearing, I. And this is like this because you speak, and it's right here. You speak, 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 speak. So hearing, yeah. Or you could say, hearing, not, deaf, I. I am considered deaf even though I can still hear. And in the culture now, the deaf culture now, if you have any loss of hearing enough to, have to wear hearing aids to be able to hear, you are considered deaf. And I am, I do have quite a bit of hearing loss without my hearing aid. So I am considered deaf. But I'm also considered hard of hearing. The hard of hearing is this. Hard of hearing. H-H. H-H. Hard of hearing, I. And if you want to ask me if I use a hearing aid, you take like this, like it's over your ear. Hearing aid, use, you. Hearing aid, use. You're going to do a circle, you. You can also do hearing aid, use, you, without this. But both ways is good. Okay, and that is it. Oh, but I did teach numbers, so I'll go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3. Remember that this is 3, not this. This is W. This is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are easy ones. Now we're going to go this. This, you're going to start with the pinky. This. Always remember that when you're counting after 5, that you're starting with the pinky. This, 7, 8, 9. And then there's 10. 11, you're going to turn this around. 11, 12, and then when 13 comes, there's that 3 again, you're going to wave at yourself. 13, 14, it's going to be like a B. Wave at yourself. 14, 15, put the thumb back out. 15, there's this here. 15, you're just rotating. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay? If you need any help or anything, please message me. I'm available. And thank you very much.